Okay. Hey, jelly beans. So we're back at it again. We're hiking. Nature's Daddy is back by popular demand.
Yes.
I don't know why y'all like this man, but it's fine.
NatureZeddy.com.
So we are at, where are we at?
Sweetwater Creek State Park.
We are at Sweetwater Creek State Park, which is like an hour from Gwinnett-ish. But yeah, we're just gonna hike. It's like an overcast kind of day. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but even if it does.
Look at y'all host. God.
We'll see how many out-of-pocket sidebar things I said today. But nah, it's gonna be fun. We'll have fun. I brought my binoculars this time, y'all. Remember last time I forgot my binoculars? I was very mad about it. So we got all the things. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. So this is super cool. So these are muskets from the Civil War that they pulled out of the river. And you can see it better this way. Like, there's like the end of one, and then you can see the bullets up there in a row. I don't know where he's pointing. But no, it's super dope. It's like a case of muskets, essentially. Very cool.
Okay. I knew you appreciate birds, so there's a bunch of like demos.
Last one, sure. A nice red-tailed hawk, you know, see these all the time. What are these? You should know one of them.
That's a crow.
Mm-hmm.
Or a raven.
No, not the same thing.
I know. I was checking to make sure you know.
Ooh, a nice little red-headed woodpecker. And a blackbird, red-winged blackbird, and a brown thrasher, which is...
State bird of Georgia.
Yes, wonderful. Look at great students. But yeah, I feel like y'all have seen red-winged blackbirds in my other videos, but here's one super up close, obviously. Super cool. There's an owl up there. A nice little great horned owl. Alright, what else? Where do we need to go now? Oh, there's so many birds. That's one of my favorites. Northern flickers. My mom has one. Ooh, okay, so me personally, I think European starlings are super gorgeous. Now, I know people be trying to kill them, and I know y'all hate them, but you know, it's not their fault that they got over here. They didn't ask for this life. Somebody brought them, just like everything else. Anyway, back to our regularly scheduled programming. On this day, 2020.
On this day.
We had our first Madam
Here now.
Vice President.
Well.
Kamala.
Come
Not
on,
Kamala.
somebody.
Kamala Harris.
Come on, somebody.
Okay. Remember that. Not him joking.
A river.
Anyway.
So anyway, Spillway, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the Spillway. The Spillway was dug by slave labor to branch off from the main river so that it can go down and it would power the mill.
I see the vision.
Right?
Okay, so, okay.
Yes. So if you look here, this was trenched out and dug so that it could run and fill the mill, and then the rest of the water could continue down the river.
Okay.
We're going to get all the way into it. Let's do it.
All right. Sounds great. Said river.
The river said.
And then Forgot about it. Hello, sir. Who are you? We're just dwelling on how perfectly, the slaves cut the stones. They literally dug this entire thing that we've been walking on by hand and all that. And people have the nerve, the audacity, the unmitigated gall to try and tell me that black people don't go outside.
My God.
And I always respond with, black people are the originators of outside.
Fact.
Like, who do you think taught them how to do outside?
They ain't know.
So anyway, if y'all ever read my paper, that may or may not be published eventually. I definitely go in depth on how...
T-shirts coming. We outside.
I don't think they do master's dissertation T-shirts.
We outside.
We can make that a thing though. Definitely can.
Hashtag.
But yeah.
We outside. We out here.
I go into a lot of depth on reasons why black people nowadays feel like they can't go outside.
Well.
And ways to get them back out there.
Speak on it.
So, coming soon to a public journal near you. He really risking his life. And I'm gonna catch it on camera. Attenborough.
Alright, so here we are at the mill, okay? That is built by slave labor, alright? Okay? And destroyed by the Union during the Civil War, alright? Now we're gonna go over to the placard in a little bit. I'm gonna better explain everything that happened here. This is history, ladies and gentlemen. History, alright? In the making. You heard it here first. Nature's Addy. So, as you saw, right? Alright. So earlier, right? We saw how the water was coming into the spillway. The spillway was built by slave labor, right? To fuel this mill, right? It's water powered, okay? So the water would come straight down this gully here, right? You can still see the stones that were laid. From earlier. Right. And so the water would spill this way into the front of the mill, down through the bottom and back out to the river, right? Okay. So this is handmade brick that was made over there in the mud pits on the other side of the river, again by slave labor, right? Everything slave labor. And then they constructed and worked this mill. Yeah. Cheerio.
Thank you, sir. We have now switched trails. We did the red trail, had the mill, learned all the things. Now we're on a less beaten path. So if I disappear, I will put his information below in the description box. If you see this video go up, then we survived. Okay, and he's falling. Anyway.
You got it?
I got it. I got it. It's just so pretty and quiet and pretty. Like could you imagine? I am whispering. Like, could you imagine like this being in the morning time when it's all foggy and stuff? It'd be great. There's some angry birds. We're still here. So, I don't know if y'all can tell. Probably not. Maybe not. I don't know. We've been inclining. Inclining?
Yeah.
Going uphill for a while now. This is his idea. But I'm not going to hate on exercise. So, I'll take it. But,
oh, you stink.
But it's been fun. Hopefully, what time is it? 5:40 probably. So So it's about to get dark.
Definitely about to get dark. We're not halfway through this yet.
Yikes. Again, if this video never goes up and y'all just end up seeing it on like
But I got the stick.
some kind of like hidden cam thing on the news, then y'all know what happened. But yeah, it's still pretty. It's still alive. As well, because you can't even see them unless they move. Well, there's deer up there, guys. Time for all the crepuscular animals to come out. Good little vocab word. There's some up there too. Not you walking like a drunk old man.
Oh, geez.
I feel like it's thicker to you. Like I can see because the light's not directly in front of my eyes, but you can't see. It's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna stop. This is not the time, Sheridan.
Go.
It is now. What time is it?
6:47. Sure. Wow. I said 9.
It's sick. Wait.
6:47.
No, you're for real? I thought you were joking.
6:47.
No, I legitimately thought you were joking. Well, it's dark outside. The hike was great. We're live.
It was stressful.
And
Enjoyable, but stressful.
enjoyable but stressful. But it was good. I had fun. We saw some cool historical things. We saw some deer.
We definitely saw some deer.
We saw some deer. Got a lot of lessons in, survival skills. Items to always bring with you on a hike.
Headlamp.
A headlamp.
For
A
sure.
headlamp will change your life. Anyway.
Definitely changed mine. We was hiking blind.
No, we weren't, 'cause we had a headlamp. So anyway, yeah. It's been great. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. I will catch you guys the next time. Nature's Zaddy is exhausted.
Perhaps more tomorrow.
Yeah, we might go hiking again tomorrow, so. Whew, catch you
Either
later.
part 2 or couch potatoes. We'll let you know.
Be safe out there, guys. Deuce.
46.